Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and enjoying with your parents. Okay, so today, children, we are going to revise the subject English. Okay, so in English, I'm going to show you some letters and we are going to meet letter I with its sounds and the pictures. Okay, now I will show you the letter I. You know all the letters A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, K, H, I. Yes, now it's a turn of letter I. We have done up to letter G, G. Now it's a turn of letter I. Okay. Yes, children. So this is letter I. Which letter is this? Letter I. Yes. Standing line and two sleeping lines. It makes letter capital I. And what is it sounds? It sounds E. Okay, it sounds E and I. Sometimes I, sometimes E. Right? So there is letter I. I'm going to trace it. Just look at it. Okay, kids? And you can also trace with me. Okay? So here is number 1. And this is capital I. This is capital I. And this is small I. Lowercase I. Okay? Yes. Uppercase I and lowercase I. Good. So we will trace. So what we have to do first, we will go to number 1 and join the dots slowly like this. Okay. After complete the sleeping line, we will go down. Yes, standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. And again a sleeping line. So what does it comes out as letter I? Which letter is this? Letter I. You can also trace and practice. Okay. And see the next I. This is small I. Very easy. A standing line and a dot. Yes, standing line and a small dot. So this is small I, this one is small I, and this one is capital I. Say I, E. I, E. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to show you some pictures. Okay, children, just remember this letter is in your English book. Okay. So we are moving to another picture. So yes, children, see, so many pictures are here with letter I. Now let's meet with them with the sound. Okay, with the sound. Okay. See this boy. What is he carrying in his hand? A handkerchief. Why he is having a handkerchief on his hand? Because he is not well. He is sneezing. Okay, he is sneezing. So he has a handkerchief on his hand. Yes, and he is not well. It means he is ill. He is ill. Ill means बीमार है. He is not well. उसकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. I see there is I. Yes, see this letter I, small I. Yes, ill. So he is not well. Ill child. Okay. You should also take care of yourself in these days. Yes, I saw the people who are not taking care properly, they are getting ill in these days. Okay, now moving to another picture. Okay, children, what is this? This is ink pot. What is this? Ink pot. Yes. You know what is ink pot? Ink pot is a small bottle and there is a liquid inside, and that liquid is called ink. Ink. E. So see, this letter I is written over here. है ना? I E. Ink pot. There is ink inside this bottle and we use the ink in writing. Yes. Have you saw a ball pen in your parents' hand or your brother or sister's hand? So how do we write? We write it with the help of ink. So this is a ink pot. A bottle of ink. Ink. Yes. And what is this? This is a house. Yes, you know, this is also a house, a different kind of house. We couldn't find it here. Yes, this house is called igloo. What is this house called? Igloo. See the word igloo. Okay. Igloo. Igloo. Yes. This. Okay, now moving to another picture. Everybody knows what is this. Yes, we have celebrated the birthday of India. You know this? And this is the map of India. This is the map of India. See, orange color, white color and green color. Do you remember? Yes, Independence Day. Yes, so this is the picture of India. We will celebrate the birthday of India on Independence Day. India. India. Independence Day. Yes. And what is this? This is an insect. This is an insect. You know what are the insects? They're very small animals, but they are called insects. They fly, they move here and there, like mosquito and small snail, flies, butterflies. Yes, these are the insects. Okay, good. So what the sound is coming when we say insects? Insects. Okay, say insects. Very good. Okay, now we are moving to another. So children, this is a next page in your English book, and here we are going to do some fun. Yes, see, so many insects are here. Okay, ladybird, butterfly, fly and ant. Yes, these are the small insects. Honeybee. Yes. So what you have to do, you have to help these insects to go to the flower. आपने इन insects को flower के पास लेके जाना है. Okay, so what will we do? We'll draw a standing line and it will come out like an letter I. Okay, yes, I know you can do it. So we will practice here once. See, how you have to do is put your color on the dot and come down slowly. Yes, so this is comes out letter I. Yes, and this butterfly is also going to this flower, letter I. Yes, this honeybee is also going to this flower, letter I. And an ant is also moving down to the flower, letter I. Okay, this is letter I. So you have to join the dots. Okay, children. Okay, and the next is you have to read it, letter I, E, and trace it. Okay, read this letter I and trace it. And we have done the tracing earlier also. The same way you have to trace here. Okay, letter I. And this is a picture of a house, igloo. Okay, what you have to do is you have to color the blocks, only those blocks where letter I is written. This block के ऊपर letter I लिखा हुआ, आपको उसी में कलर करना है. Okay, by using your thumb. आपको अपने thumb से you can use any color. Okay, and you have while you are doing the thumb printing, say this is letter I E igloo, like this. Okay, I E igloo. Good. So children, after doing the practice of letter I, we will trace the letters. Yes, you just do the practice by tracing the letter with the help of your fingers. And those children who has not done the work, they can also join these dots and make the letter, different letter. So which letter is this? This is C, K. This is C, K. Capital C and small c. This is C, K, cap. Yes, C, K, cup. Okay. And which letter is this? D, D. Say D, D. D, D, dog. D, D, drum. Capital D and small d. Yes. Uppercase D and lowercase d. Moving to another letter. E, E, elephant. E, elephant. E, yes, egg. So this is letter E. Okay, capital E and small e. Just trace it and try to say some words with letter E. Oh wow, which letter is this? F. F, flower. Yes, F, flower. F, fish. Yes, so this is capital F and small f. Trace it and say some words with letter F for. We have done so many. Yes. Okay, now moving to next. This is letter G, G. G, 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 G. Yes, G, G, G. G, 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 G. Children, if you sing this song, you will easily come to know which letter is this, and you will easily learn the sound. Yes, like A, B, 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 B. C, K, 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 K. Okay, so like this you have to trace and sing the sound like this. Good. Now next is ha 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 ha. Yes, trace the letter H, H, and say its sound. Sing its sound like ha 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 ha. Yes. Okay, so these are the letters which we are doing, and I though we have done. So practice it up to letter I, E. This is your home task. Okay, sing the song with a sound and tell me the name of some pictures. You can read aloud. Okay, so just practice it and have a nice day.